In this video, I'll show you how to use Yablo Genius to automate repetitive tasks, allowing your team to focus on what truly matters, interacting with customers, and delivering an exceptional customer experience. Responding quickly to customers is crucial for most businesses. You'll want to ensure that the right team member can begin working on incoming requests as soon as possible, with all the context they need to get started right away. That's where Yablo Genius comes in to help. Yablo Genius is our AI-powered automation solution, and it can assist you with a range of tasks. Yablo Genius can generate a one-line summary for incoming messages, allowing your team to quickly understand the message's content without reading the entire text. It can automatically classify messages by applying relevant tags, so you'll know exactly what the message pertains to. Yablo Genius can also prioritize messages based on their content. For instance, an incoming bug report will be flagged as urgent, while a simple informational message will be assigned a lower priority. Lastly, Yablo Genius can automatically route messages to team members using various strategies to ensure the right person gets the right task. I'll dive into this feature in just a minute. Configuring Yablo Genius is straightforward and doesn't require a complex set of rules. It's designed to get the job done with minimal setup. You can configure Yablo Genius for each inbox individually. Open the Inbox Settings dialog, and you'll find the Yablo Genius option in the left navigation. On the right side, you'll see a list of tasks that Yablo Genius can perform for incoming messages in this inbox. Most tasks are ready to go with a simple toggle switch, no complex configuration needed. For instance, if you want to automatically prioritize messages, just enable this task with a simple toggle. The same applies to the automated summarization task, just toggle it on to get started. Other tasks require a bit more configuration. Let's take a closer look at the assigned task that automatically routes incoming messages to the most appropriate team member. Since every team works differently, you can choose from 3 assignment strategies that best fit your workflow. The first strategy assigns messages based on account manager roles. You can specify the account manager for each contact, and Yablo Genius will use this information to route messages accordingly. Alternatively, if you want to ensure that incoming requests are distributed evenly across your team members while considering their current workload, the load balancing strategy is designed for that purpose. At the bottom, you can specify which team members should be included in the load balancing. Members you uncheck will not receive any assigned messages. The final strategy, called the skills strategy, uses AI to match incoming messages with the skills of your team members. At the bottom, you can describe in natural language the types of requests each member should handle. Here are a few examples. You might categorize team members based on different customer topics. For instance, direct questions about invoicing, payment terms, and billing changes could be routed to James, while requests for quotes might be assigned to Peter. Skills don't have to be categorized by topics alone. For example, if your team includes both senior and junior members, you might route urgent requests to the senior staff while assigning less urgent ones to junior team members. Alternatively, if you're working in an international context where your team supports multiple languages, you can define the skills of your staff based on the languages they speak. As you can see, the possibilities are nearly endless. Let's return to the configuration screen and explore how to set up auto tagging. By default, Yablo Genius attempts to match messages with all the tags you've created in your account. However, you can limit this to a specific set of tags for more control. Usually, you'll create tags that represent the topics of messages so your team can quickly understand the nature of each request. You can also go beyond just topic-related tags. For example, you might create a tag like sales opportunity to help Yablo Genius identify messages that indicate potential sales opportunities. Or you might use tags to capture emotions, such as a tag for customers expressing frustration. Once set up, Yablo Genius will automatically process incoming messages according to your configuration, including routing, tagging, setting priorities, and generating summaries. You might be wondering how to keep track of the actions that Yablo Genius performs. Yablo tracks all changes made to a conversation, including those made by both your team and Yablo Genius. You can even receive explanations for why Yablo Genius took certain actions, giving you insight into its reasoning and decision-making process. Okay, one final point before we wrap up. Promise, it's a quick one. Yablo Genius seamlessly integrates with Yablo's built-in analytics. As you've seen, Yablo Genius can automatically tag messages, and this tagging flows through to the analytics. You can filter your reports by specific tags, allowing you to focus on workload, team performance, and customer satisfaction ratings related to particular types of messages. That's all for now. We hope you found the video helpful. Stay tuned for more updates and insights.